So this group conversation has to be exciting.
I am giving my fees, after then I am learning English.
Abu Ali Sina, Jabir bin Hayyan, Al-Khwarizm, who is the father of mathematics, Al-Jabra.
What happened? Why there is so much silence? खामोशी क्यों है इतनी?
Money is all about fulfill our basic needs.
To prove that money can still dominate intelligence. Right now,
they have no intelligence, so how will they recognize this? Say what is money and what is paper?
First of all, I want to tell you the difference between intelligence and money.
Ashraful Makhluqat thinks that what am I eating and where am I?
Our mental people, not Ashraful Makhluqat.
We are chasing every profession just because of money. Your intelligence will come and your money will come. What will come?
The education
Your
which I have
intelligence
gotten
will
from my
come.
money, the
Go
education,
anywhere, so
the
they will not
degrees
take your
which I
money, they
have
will take
gotten
your
from my
skills.
There are lots of
In the
skills.
past, you were
I
saying
complete my
that
graphic
you
designing.
were
I complete
saying
my
that,
graphic design. I am a graphic
government
designer in
education
SMIT.
okay. Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? All are doing well? All are doing well in class? All right. So today this is another episode of English speaking class, and in today's class I have come up with another challenge, and the challenge is group conversation. So I have divided the class into two parts, girls and boys. And the topic of group conversation is money versus intelligence. Money versus intelligence. And I am going to assign both sides the topics to defend, the points to defend. So boys are going to favor intelligence. Intelligence is more dominant than money, and girls are going to defend money. Money is more dominant than intelligence. All right. So this group conversation has to be exciting. It has to be fun, and I need everybody's participation to full extent. So I hope that all of you are excited for this group conversation. Aren't you? All are ready? Yeah. So let's get started. So first of all, we are going to start from girls side, and Varisha is going to start the proceedings. Varisha, here you go. Start.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Varisha Beg, and in my perspective, money has more dominate on intelligence. Intelligence is useless without money. If a person wants to become a doctor, so his intelligence, he wants to become a doctor. So he and she needs money for education. Of course, without education, no one can become a doctor or engineer. So without money, we can't be any. We
We
can't
cannot be anything.
we cannot be anything.
Anything in life.
Anything in life. If someone give a choice and
If someone is given a
if
choice,
someone is giving a choice to us, that in one hand he has money and second hand he has intelligence, so of course we would
we would
prefer money rather than intelligence. So it's a reality in our society. People always prefer money rather than intelligence. It's all about us.
Okay, all right. Yes, Varisha has stated her point of view. Mr. Ayan.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Ayan Sheikh. Today I am here for the group discussion and I am in favor of intelligence. So let's get started. In my perspective, intelligence has been dominating. So intelligence is the real tool which drives success. Money can only buy things which made up, but intelligence brings innovations and it brings changes and it goes forward, but money cannot. So in the people's
The people, not peoples, people.
the people who bring change, who change the world, those people are not the wealthier, but they are the smartest people and intelligent people. So I listen somewhat that ideas by the man will not be only the last. A man will die but not his ideas. So intelligence turned the situation. and it turns ideas into reality. Like Allama Iqbal thought about the Muslims that he wanted to see separate state for the Muslim. So his idea, whether he was not with us, but his idea become in reality. We got Pakistan. So if you have strong ideas, so your idea can be a reality. So as we many people say that we can survive without we cannot survive without money, but we can survive without intelligence. So my question is just that when we was a kid,
When we were kids.
when we were kids, so intelligence was the basic necessities for us. Why? Because without intelligence we could not communicate with our parents. We learned by the help of intelligence to communicate with our parents, to walk, to speak, to stand in front of
Very
the
good.
people.
Very
And in the history, many people choose money, but we don't know their name. But our leaders who empower Muslim scientists for the intelligence, those work on intelligence, so we know their name in golden words like Bu Ali Sina, Jabir bin Hayyan, Al Khwarizm, who is the father of mathematics, Al Jabra. So we know their name in golden words. If you keep on chasing money, so you will keep on doing this when you die. But if you keep on chasing intelligence, so money will chase you.
Very good. Clap for Mr. Ayan. Very nice. Yes, is there anyone from girls section who can challenge Mr. Ayan? He has come up with lots of information and examples. Anyone who is going to challenge Mr. Ayan and prove that money can still dominate intelligence? Anyone? Yes, yes, please. Everyone looks. What happened? Why there is so much silence? खामोशी क्यों है इतनी? अरे यार, it means all of you are going to admit that boys are winning. Okay, Alishba is going to speak. Yes.
Okay, so as you asked that when we were kids, so with the help of intelligence, we learned that how to speak and how to eat and how to do these all things. Okay, with the help of intelligence, we did these all things. But how did we eat?
Okay, you
How
can.
did we eat with the
Okay.
help of money? So
These-
if we will not have the money, so how will we eat? Money is all about fulfill our basic needs, because with the help of money we can easily fulfill our basic needs. If we will not have the money, so how will we fulfill it? If our parents will not have money, so how will they provide the food and shelter to us? How will they provide the facilities to us?
Okay.
Yeah.
If you are still
At least support your group name.
if you are still supporting money, that money is dominant, so give me your answer without using your intelligence.
Yeah, I'm obviously supporting money. Okay, so as I mentioned that, as you said that
You are
the-
using your intelligence. Without using your intelligence, give me answer with the help of money.
Okay, so how when a kid born when a kid
When a kid is born,
okay when a kid is born, so how does he or she or his parents fulfill their basic needs?
Okay, if a kid born, he eat food without money, and if he does not have intelligence, so we will call he is a mad. He will not able to
But
speak.
how will he or
Okay.
she fulfill his basic needs? And my question is that in basic need we are also having the clothes as well.
So to
We are
fu-
also having the food as well. These all things include in basic needs.
Okay, to fulfill your basic need, here you will use your intelligence. So how can I fulfill my
Okay.
kid basic needs?
Okay, you are saying that for fulfilling our basic need, we need in order to fulfill our basic need, we need intelligence. May you please elaborate your views in this, that how can you
Repeat.
may you please define that how can we as you mentioned that with the help of what did you ask? I did not get it. May you please repeat?
I said that
Yes.
a kid eat food when he is a kid, so he eat food without money. He does not have any issue that as your partner said that we can not survive without money, but we can survive without intelligence, but
Okay.
it survive without money. Birds survive without money. Every living thing survive without money, and the person who made money, he was also an intelligent person. Time to time become challenges. Whether it become challenges, but the person who is intelligent, he can do anything.
Okay.
Because
the
he has intelligence.
If a person is sick and he is about to die and he is not having money to to having the treatment, so he will die. He will obviously die. We are seeing many people in our society who are dying. Why? Because of inflation. Because in Pakistan there is inflation. That's why they are dying day by day. So why they are dying? Why are they dying? Just because of money?
Why intelligence is not helping us out?
Yes.
Okay.
Why intelligence is not helping there? That's why we are we are getting our life again. We are getting our life again. So if we will not have the money, so how will we get the treatment?
I want to remind you that
Yes.
at any cost we will have to die. Okay, or if as you said that what is the role of intelligence is here. This is the problem of our government or our infrastructure, that we don't use our intelligence in right way. Those Muslims who use their intelligence, they become a good and greatest leader in the history of mankind.
Very good. Clap for Mr. Ayan. Very good point. Very good point stated by Mr. Ayan. And I think you need to get up, all of you, and support your group mate, or either you can speak on your own to prove that money can still dominate intelligence. Right now, you need to realize this, that your group is running out of points. Okay, fine. So, now we are going to listen, Mr. Wasif. Wasif is going to share his.
Assalamu alaikum.
You can answer. You can answer.
My name is Wadif Sharan and I am in favor of intelligence. Intelligence is more important than money because by the help of worth is generated by intelligence. Intelligence is not generated by money. So money is not important because what do you say? If I talk about mental people, they have no money. They are mental, so how will they earn money?
They have no intelligence.
They have no intelligence.
People who are, for example, with their mind is their psychological issues and their state of mind is
And-
not normal.
Sir.
They are mentally abnormal. So how can they survive in their lives?
And sir,
So can money help them out?
But sir,
Answer. Yes, answer.
can they survive without food?
money is not everything. By the help of money, we can buy book, but not knowledge. by
Can
the
they
help of money,
survive
listen.
without food? Tell me answer. Can they? Yes.
I'm giving answer.
Yes.
I'm giving answer. By the help of money, you can buy food, but not appetites. You can by the help of money, you can buy clothes, but not time. By the help of money, you can buy what to say, bed, but not sleep. By the help of money, you can buy cameras, but not memories. So how can you say that?
But they need food, so money is important for us. We have money, so after then
Sir,
we can purchase.
they have no-
food for
they have
our-
no intelligence.
for our health. But we have no money, so how can
They
we
have no intelligence, so how will they
can we
recognize this,
purchase
say what
food
is
for
money and
our
what is
health?
proper?
Because our health is not safe without money. Because if a person don't eat food in a one day, second day, so she will be dead. Because a person have no water, she don't
You
drink water,
you have no
he will be
intelligence, so
dead.
how will you recognize this? This is a money or this is a
because
page?
A person,
How will you recognize?
A person,
Because you have no intelligence. You have intelligence,
listen
that's
to
why
me.
you are
First
learning
of all,
English.
listen to me.
You have money like
A
you,
person, listen
you
to
have
me.
money to learn English.
Listen to me. There are so many people like they are living on the way because they are homeless, but they are eating, they are drinking because without money.
Because they have intelligence,
listen
not
to-
money.
not
They have intelligence, that's why.
Not intelligence because
They are
there
eating,
are so
they
many
are
laborers.
eating, they are
Listen to me.
sleeping, they are walking. Why? Because
Listen
they
to
have
me.
intelligence, not
There
money.
are so many laborers, they are living without bed, they are living without home, but they are living on the way, but they are like a laborers, they are doing work for our health and for our foods, for our parents, for our
How?
children.
Because they have intelligence, not
No,
money.
they are doing
They are
work.
intelligent, that's why they are doing this work. Otherwise they
They
can't
are
do. They
doing
can't do.
work. They are earn money, and after then they are brings foods for our children, for our parents. So how are they are living on the way? Tell me answers.
So just
Without
because of-
intelligence, they can
I am giving answer. I am giving answer just because of intelligence.
Not intelligence. They are doing work. It is intelligence.
Yes, they are doing what they have intelligence. That's why you are learning English. You are learning English. So you have intelligence. That's why you are learning English. Now
They
you have money.
I am giving my fees. After then I am learning English.
You are giving fees.
Without
You know very well that this is money. This is not
a
simple
person
pay.
has
So you
a
have
skills.
intelligence.
Listen
Intelligence
to
is
me.
important, not
a
money.
person has a skills. Like a Sir Haris has a skills. They are teaching English language.
Yes.
Without money, they did not learn English.
So without
language.
intelligence, he can't
Because
teach us. Without
first of
intelligence,
all-
he can't teach
first
us.
of
He
all-
is intelligent. He is an intelligent.
First,
That's
listen to me.
why he is an
Listen,
intelligent teacher.
listen.
That's why he is teaching us.
Listen to me. First of all, we enter in the center. So first of all, the reception said to us like you give.
You have to pay the fee.
You have to pay the fee, and after then you can enter the class, and after that you can learn English. Without money, they said yes, you can join the center and you can learn
So,
English easily.
without money, you can learn English.
He did not give his skills without money, because the center is.
He is intelligent. That's why he is giving. He is teaching
How
us.
did he become intelligent?
Without without intelligence, he
How
can't
did he
teach us
become intelligent?
properly.
Because, like he has a degree, and
Yes.
he has a degree.
How
After
he has a
then
degree? How he has a
teaches
degree?
us.
He know very well that what
He
is
has
hard
a
working.
degree, he has
What
a
is hard
master
working?
degree.
He was doing hard
After
working
that-
for his goal. That's why.
Next, we are going to listen. We are going to listen the viewpoint of Aisha. Aisha is going to participate. Yes, Aisha. And from here, Mr. Rauf. Rauf and Aisha. Let's find out how do they defend their points. I'm slowly going to come to everyone. Yes.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Aisha. Today I am in the favor of money because money is the basic provide us the basic needs. I just want to ask one question. Tell me your life without money. Tell me your life without money.
Or how is life without money?
Yes. Please tell me.
Yes. How is life without money, Mr. Rauf?
Hello friends.
There will not be any single word of money, and just define your life.
Hello friends, my name is Rauf Khan. Today we have a very fascinating group discussion, money versus intelligence.
Yes.
So I favor intelligence. Intelligence is an ability to conceive the good thoughts and idea and grow our knowledge day by day. It is also solve a problem and it is also improve our skills. We can easily bring new innovations in our life. We can easily get the knowledge and get the success through the intelligence. It is the important part of intelligence. If I talk about money, so by the help of money, we can easily buy the degree. We will not have to do the hard work. We just give the money and take the papers, but we are not able to take the papers. We are just take. If I talk about our intelligence, so by the help of intelligence, we are get the paper of the form of paper in degree. It is called in education, and my friend has talked about the education. After sometimes he got there, he passed their inter and metric. So are they able to pass the metric? Are they able to pass the metric? It's not a right thing that you are favoring money. If I talk about government school, so government school student better than private school students. Why? Because they have education. Why they have intelligence? It is called the power of intelligence.
Excuse
Basically,
me.
if
I
I
want
talk
to
about
interrupt. My question was that tell me your life without money, and you are planning intelligence.
First
Please,
of all,
first of all, tell me.
I
that
want-
you
My
are-
question is very
Yes.
straightforward.
first of all,
Tell
I
me.
want to share my point of view because you are unclear.
Now
in
you
front
are.
of me.
You have shared
That's
your
why.
point of view. Now tell me
Yes.
your life without.
May you tell me your question again, please?
Tell me. Explain your life without money.
Without money,
Life
Yes.
without money.
life without money.
Yes.
It is very simple because
How?
basically, if I talk about the era of without money, like 1485, there wasn't money. Okay?
Today's era. You are living in today's
No,
era. Not,
I'm
not
talking
in
about
the past. Not in the past.
1485 to 2024.
Okay.
Yes, please listen me. First of all, I want to tell you the difference between intelligence and money. What is the difference between intelligence and money? Basically, money pays the bill, but intelligence pays your lifestyle. If I talk about money, yeah, if I talk about money, you can easily get the money, bundle of money, trillion, billion by the help of intelligence, but you can't make the money by the help
Excuse
of
me,
money.
sir. I want to interrupt.
It is simple
First,
straight question.
you have idea.
Basically-
First, you had idea by the help of your intelligence, but how you make it due to money. Due to
It
money.
is reality. If I talk about reality, why how
And
many
you
donkeys
had
are
money,
millionaires?
and sir,
How many? Because donkey doing hard work because of money. They have
you did
cards
hard work.
to run.
First of all,
So,
you want to multiply
yes,
your money, so you must have money.
First of all, you
must have money,
should
then you
give
can
my
multiply
answer.
it.
You can go there and you can learn English.
Why
in
you
your
are not
course.
learning there? Why
Your
you
course,
are not
yes.
learning there if they are good? Why you are
If
not
you
learning
are
there?
thinking that if
Why you are here?
if I learning government sector, so I would be a illiterate person. It's your cheap mindset. There are lots of
In the
students-
past, you were
I
saying that
complete my
you
graphic
were
designing. I complete my
saying
graphic
that,
designing. I am a graphic
government
designer in
education
SMIT.
is true,
I
is
didn't
better
pay
than
any
private then. And
single
you are
rupee.
saying that it is the cheapest person.
Assalamu alaikum to all. My name my name is Momin Hamza, and today I stand for discussion. And my topic of discussion is money versus intelligence. So today I am supporting intelligence. So first of all, I have a question for you. So what do you think? How is your life without intelligence? How much people said to you that she is a mad girl and she doesn't know how to do the work because she doesn't have the intelligence. So what is your life without intelligence?
If I talk about past era where we are a child, at that point of time we cannot use we couldn't use our own intelligence. At that point of time we use our parents intelligence and parents money. With money, I am pointing out money here because money is the most important power of us nowadays. Everybody is running behind money. We are chasing every profession just because of money. In past time, in our childhood, we are just choosing those profession in which we can earn more money for our better future, for our better career.
So therefore we are facing this type of problem in our country. They are just because of we are following the money. We are not following about the intelligence. Therefore we are not chasing intelligence. If we are chasing intelligence, so we will see the bright future of Pakistan, and we will see the bright future of ourselves. So this is a thing which matters a lot. Like if we keep on saying in our mind that we want to earn money, we want to build money, the handsome amount of money, therefore we are facing this type of problems.
Actually,
And for
I must
example,
say,
we are-
intelligent people don't have time to run behind intelligence. We have money, we can do anything for money, and we can do anything for chasing money because money is more important. If I talk about in our schooling, to our college, to our every education department where we go, we have to get money there. Without money, we cannot get intelligence from them. So this
So-
is the most important
so-
point, I think.
So if you have money, so can you understand something without intelligence?
I can, because if I don't understand in the class, I can go. I have money, I can buy mobile, I can download each and everything with the help of internet, which I am paying bills of internet, so I can do.
If a person
We have a lot of applications with the help of internet, with the help of money, with the help of internet, we can do everything which we
First of
want.
all, if a person who comes to you and he said to you that would you like to tell me something, if you have no intelligence, so how will you tell him that what is he asking? Because you have money, so you will show him that I have money and I don't want to say it.
Every
I don't
person
want to-
have this much basic knowledge to answer a person. I must say, every person have this basic knowledge.
So
If
you
we have
don't
knowledge,
have
that's why we are coming. This is all about. This is part of knowledge, not intelligence. Intelligence is something else. So we
how-
are not chasing intelligence here.
Mr. Ehtisham would like to answer what is intelligence. Ehtisham, can you answer her what is intelligence? Yes, intelligence.
Intelligence
Yes.
intelligence is something which no one knows. Like cheap people just run after money but not intelligence.
So why do we learn after intelligence? Because we can earn intelligence at home, but for earning money, we have to go out from our home running our father makes too much hard work for running our home just because of little bit money, little bit salary. So money is important than everything.
I understand. I agree that you
are
have
agreed,
much
this
money.
is the point.
You have much money. If something has happened that you have lost your money, and you used to teach you used to study at private school, and you have much skills. Now you don't have any kind of money. So what will you use? Your intelligence will come and your money will come. What will come?
The education
Your
which I have
intelligence
gotten
will
from my
come.
money,
If
the
you go
education,
anywhere, so
the
they will not
degrees
take your
which I
money, they
have
will take
gotten
your
from my
skills.
money. No, the education which I have gotten from my money, I'll use those degrees,
Why
not
are
the
you using?
intelligence.
When you think that money is everything, so why are you using intelligence? When you think that money is everything, so why are you using intelligence?
I'm not using intelligence. I'm using knowledge. I am.
So where does knowledge come? Intelligence.
And
If you are mental
sorry.
people that
Let me
don't
speak.
know
Let me
where am
speak.
I and what do I eat.
Bro, let me speak. And where do
Mental
intelligence
people-
come? Intelligence comes from the
Let me
knowledge.
Let me
And
listen.
where do
Let
we?
me speak. Let me speak. Let me speak. Let me speak.
You have asked the
Let me
question.
speak. Ashraful Makhlukat mental people always mental people does not think that where is he and what is he eating. Ashraful Makhlukat thinks that what am I eating and where am I.
Okay.
Okay, Mr. Atasham, as you said that mental people does not know that how to eat and how to sit in public or something. Okay, they don't know the basic needs. But are mental people not Ashraful Makhlukat?